In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change listing category on Etsy. Getting your category right helps your items show up in the right searches and puts them in the correct place across Etsy's marketplace. Let's walk through it together from a clean start. Begin by opening a new browser window and search for Etsy. You can type the marketplace name into your preferred search engine or the address bar. Either way, you're heading to the official site. Click the top result that takes you to Etsy's homepage. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you log in with the shop that holds the listing you want to update so you'll see the correct dashboard. Next, move to your account menu and choose Account Settings. This ensures you're in the right area and authenticated before you jump into Shop Tools. From here, navigate to your Shop Manager, which is where all seller controls live. Inside Shop Manager, look to the left-hand menu and click Listings. This opens a page with all of your active, draft, and inactive items. Find the specific listing you want to change and select it to open the editor. Within the listing editor, click on the Details section. This is the panel that controls core information like title, category, and attributes. Under Category, start typing a relevant term that best describes your item. Think about what a buyer would search for. As you type, Etsy will suggest categories and subcategories. Choose the closest match from the results. Pick accuracy over popularity here. A precise category improves search relevance and helps buyers filter properly. Once you've selected the correct category, review the rest of the details on the page to be sure everything still aligns, since attributes can change based on the category you choose. When you're satisfied, click Publish with Changes. Etsy will save your updates and apply them to the live listing. Watch for any on-screen confirmation or prompts, and wait a moment for the changes to propagate. In some shops, you might see a button labeled Update or Publish Updates. It serves the same purpose, so approve the change when prompted. Search placement can take a few minutes to refresh, so don't worry if you don't see the update immediately. That's it. You opened Etsy, signed in, went to Account Settings, navigated to Shop Manager, opened Listings, selected your item, edited the details, chose the best category, and published the changes. Repeat the same process for any other listings that need attention. Accurate categories make your shop easier to discover and improve the shopping experience for your customers.